this is what I'm making today, Donair. So I hope you enjoy it. So let's get to it. Yum, yum. So now we got a half a pound of lamb, a half a pound of hamburger. And then we're gonna grate an onion, a small onion. And then we're gonna keep the juice of the onion, but just put the onion in the lamb and not hamburger. Then we're gonna add 4 garlic cloves, minced garlic cloves. We're gonna have 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of thyme, a half a teaspoon of oregano, and 1 teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of pepper, a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt. Put that all in there. It's delicious. Because you got the lamb in there. Oh, so good. Now our yogurt, there we go. Now we're gonna mix it all together. Just comes into like a pasty kind of look. Just like that. And now we're gonna spread it on a sheet, real thin. Make sure it's thin because Donairs, when they cut it off that thin, it's really thin. Now we're gonna wrap it up like this. It smells so good too. We're going in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Now I have Greek yogurt, and to 850 grams of Greek yogurt, we're gonna add a pinch of salt, 1/3 cup of sugar, a half a teaspoon of pepper, and a teaspoon of garlic powder to this. And then we're gonna mix it all around, and it looks like that. We're gonna put that in the fridge and wait till everything's done. Now the lamb and hamburger is done, so we're gonna unwrap it. And that's how it looks like. Look how delicious that is. You could toast it up a little bit if you want to. Anyway, now we're cutting up some lettuce. We're gonna cut up some onion, thin, really thin onion, pieces of white onion now I got. Real thin tomato, and pickled hot pepper. And then pita bread, I made homemade live that day, but you have pita bread, you can buy that at the store. We're gonna put the meat on the pita bread. We're gonna add the lettuce. Onion, remember everything's nice and thinly done. Tomato. And look how good that is already. Now we're gonna add some of that sweet sauce. You don't have to make it too sweet. I don't like it overly sweet. Now just wrap that up. Oh my God, it was so good. I hope you try this.